Hello, 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 YouTube family. How are you? Okay, so let's make some chicken and dumpling. I had a request for this on one of my live streams, I believe, and so I'm fulfilling that request. Okay, all right, sit back and enjoy this one. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Share the video to everyone, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I welcome you. Okay, let's do it. Thank you. Okay, we're on. Alright, so I have some water boiling in this pot. I'm going to use some chicken base today. I haven't used this in a while because I cut back on the salt, but I need it for this. So that's 1, 2 heaping tablespoons of chicken base. Or chicken broth, either one you want to call it. Okay? Now I have 1 large onion cut up. And I have the water to about here, not even half the pot. This is cilantro that I had frozen in the freezer. Put that in there. Okay, I have some sofrito. I'm going to put about 1, 2 heaping tablespoons of that in. Now I have some garlic, crushed garlic. I'm going to put 1 heaping teaspoon of the garlic. Okay, I'm going to add some granulated onion. Black pepper. Flavor Mate Original. Ah, dropped my spoon in there. You see that? Now I gotta go fish that out. Okay, I have 2 chicken breasts already cut up. 2 chicken breasts. Okay, we're going to let that cook for about 10 minutes to get that started. And I'm going to come back and do the next step with you. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we're going to make the dumplings out of the bisquick mix, okay? So I have 1.5 cups of bisquick mix right here in this bowl. And then we're going to just add milk. So I'm going to pour 1/2 cup of milk and mix that little by little into the bisquick mix to make our dumplings. You don't want them runny, you want them kind of thick, okay? Really thick. So I put half of the milk in so far. And I can clearly see I need the other half. let me show you how thick this is. So you can see it's pretty thick. And I'm just taking a fork and trying to blend in the part of the bisquick mix that is not totally blended in yet. But this is how thick we want it. See that? Look. It's pretty thick. Okay? And now I'm going to take my hand and mix it all into one ball. See, it's pretty thick. It doesn't even come off on my hand. See? Okay. Okay, now we want to make the dumplings. It doesn't matter how you make them. You can put like round balls. I usually roll it sort of like that and then smash it like that so it ends up looking like a pancake. A tiny pancake. That one's a little bigger, so I took a piece off. You want to try to get them all the same if you can. Rolling it in the palm of my hand and I'm pushing down, pushing down. Okay? Okay, and we got some dumplings, alright? It's just that easy. Now if you don't have any bisquick mix, you can also make them out of flour. Okay, let's check on our chicken. So when we drop our dumplings in, we know we're good. Okay, that's looking good. Let me taste. Oh, that tastes good. We're ready, guys. Okay, now we're going to drop the dumplings in. Okay, so we have them all made. I'm going to put them in. Don't put too many in at once. You want to wait until they rise back up to the top. Okay, that's enough until I see them come back up. Okay, I see them up at the top now. Oh, let me show you if I can. Let me see if I can lift the camera. See? Okay, sorry for moving the camera. Okay, we're going to put the other 4 in. Okay, once they come to the top, you want to flip them over. I'm going to put the cover on it so that they can cook in the middle. Okay, how do you like that, guys? Chicken and dumplings. You can make the dumplings into strips, however way you want to do it. They still would be dumplings. Okay, I'm just going to flip them again. Okay, I'm going to let that cook for about another 3 minutes or so. About 3 minutes. So I want to make sure the dumplings are done on the inside. And then I'm going to plate it up and take a taste for you. I got to give you the word of the day, don't I? 1 second. The word of the day. The word of the day is indulging in too much of anything. Whether it be drinking or partying or gossiping or shopping. Indulging in anything too much is not good because it makes your focus go all on that and nothing else. And you need to be able to put your focus on everything that pertains you and yours. So remember, indulge in a little of everything at a time. That way you keep your focus. Indulge in what you feel is good for you and your family, a little at a time. That's the word of the day. Thank you. Okay, I want to show you how the dumplings have doubled in size so that you'll know when they're done. Let me show you that now, and I'm going to take a taste. Thank you. Okay. You see how big the dumpling have gotten? You remember we rolled it up and flattened it out to a little tiny size of a pancake, and look at it now. Okay, that's how you'll know when it's done. Okay, everything is done. Let me plate up and show you. Okay guys, let's take a taste. I have some chicken and dumpling. The broth is spot on. The dumpling is so soft you forget it's even in your mouth. And the chicken is nice and tender. Great, great, great combination. You are gonna love it. Okay? Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs up. I delivered on my promise on the chicken dumpling. Share the video and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.